All right, so we're going to pick up with the top side video with Jim's 86 Grand National. It's been repainted, but badges look to be in the correct place. 86 touch climate control, that works. I've been converted to 134A. And then let's coaster down there. That looks to be brass, original heater core. We got original fuel injectors on this bad boy. I bet you that has something to do with not running right. It's even got the snorkel hose. Wow. I wonder if the intercooler's full of oil. PCV hose. Little kinky kink there. It's going to need vacuum hoses. As I was talking about the radiator, that's kind of crusty. The coolant screen, but that's crusty. At this point, it's probably worth just putting a nice Champion radiator in it. As cheap as those are, versus taking it to a radiator shop. It's already been MAF translated, but that's an aftermarket sensor, so that might have something to do with it not running right. MAF trainers up top there. I'd probably move it somewhere else. Been vacuum converted, another good move. There's our new compressor, our nice looking new alternator. The belt's already stretched, it's too long. If I can get that on the video. Yep, I can see the scale. No breather there, so those two between this guy and that guy. Original coil or original style coil. I don't know if it has the stickers on the other side. I missed that. 233 regulator, so non-adjustable. I can see that crack. See that crack? Now, let's look at the oil. Doesn't look bad. I'm sure oil's been changed recently, so. I bet that cracked header has something to do with not running right. Look at the vacuum hoses. Still original. Yep, they're rotting away. A little mess going on there. Can clean that up. So retaining our factory air inlet there. These hoses have seen better days. Replace those hoses with some silicone hoses, some T-clamps. Stock turbo. Still got the oil cooler. Nope, there's no stickers over there, so they've either come off or it's been off, it's been replaced. Okay, so that's the under the hood of the car. I don't know if I'm doing a cosmetic restoration under the hood of this car or not, but I am checking everything over. Let's look at the transmission fluid. I don't know how it shifts. I literally drove it from where it was unloaded down to the shop because it doesn't have any gas in it. It's not black. It smells like old Dex 3. So I think a training service is probably in order as long as it works good. Now is where people are going to geek out. There's what you got. Oh, it's T-top car. Something's different, isn't it? Dealer installed T-tops. Look at how much metal we got here. Dealer installed T-tops. Wow. 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 We're not going to mess with these because I know the weather stripping is not available. So, could you imagine cutting these things up on the assembly line or at the dealership after I come in to put a T-top conversion on it? Oh no. I won't be touching that. Unless you want to cut the roof off, put a hardtop on it, and that's not what we do. But this looks clean. That's kind of cool. There's your original sticker. This is a Canadian car. I guess that's how you tell it's a Canadian car. See that? Canadian car. That's a Canadian car. It's clean. Clean car. Interior's nice. Seats are nice. Look at the sheen. It's a nice car. Console looks decent. It's got a turbo tweak chip for 28-pound injectors in it. The plastic pieces are nice. Door shuts good. No rust on the back trunk fully. That's in the wrong spot. That's an indication it's been painted. This video is getting kind of long, so I'm going to cut it here shortly. Dealer installed two tops. What that is. Jim has a nice Grand National. It has a lot of potential. So we'll see what or where this one's going to go. But this one came from Maine. So thanks for bringing it down from Maine, Jim. I appreciate it.